So here is the final look at the Smoke Daddy 59-inch rotisserie hog spit. Now you can do more than just hogs on it for sure. Whoops. Still have it clamped up here. So you can do more than hogs on it, but that's the main reason I bought it. But let's just take a look at it. It's got this cover, heavy duty cover. All stainless, locking wheels all the way around. That's neat. 40 amp motor on it. Let's open this up. So let me lock this wheel. Sorry about the neighbor's dogs. It's the next day, obviously. I put it together last night and then had to go somewhere. So I'm going to finish this up today. Like I said, I got the rotisserie baskets with it. That was an extra cost, but it did come with, you know, heavy duty forks for when you're doing a hog. Different kind of, I guess you call them hoof clamps or whatever you want to call them, to lock them down. I guess these are your hoof clamps here. They go on the bar. And then it comes with a hand crank if you want to turn it. Like if you're loading stuff and you don't want to stop the motor. This is the propane line that it came with. But I'll show you what I did. I had one that I bought for a different product that I went with instead. I'm going to bring you in and kind of walk you around it here so you can see it better. So I'm just going to take this out for right now, if I can. Oh, I got to take the motor off first. There we go. So I got the motor off. I'm going to try to lift this all out as one unit. If I can. What is holding that up? All right, we'll get this out of the way for a second. So there you can see the infrared propane burners. Here you can use this, like I said, so you can see here it has 3 removable grates, and then you have your wood and charcoal baskets down there, which would be nice. Then you can use this as all just one big old cooking surface like this. You know, if you were going to do a hog, you could actually lay a hog on there too, if you weren't going to use a rotisserie. Which is very cool. I haven't hooked up a propane yet to it, but we will. It does have a cheap gauge on the front, but I ain't too worried about that. We'll come around to this side. Okay, so like I said, I had this is a little longer braided propane line that I had for a different project, which I ended up not doing. So I just used it because it's longer than that other one, and it's braided. But you have your controls here for the propane, the two infrared burners. Then if we spin it, the back of it, you've got 4 vents. Actually, you got 5 vents here for your exhaust. Just like that. Close them all up. And then as far as your spit, you can see here it's got 3 levels you can put it on. We'll probably mainly use the middle one. And yeah, now this is all stainless, but it's not very thick stainless. What I'm thinking about, like along especially this area here, not on the hinge, but on here, I'll get some of that high heat RVT or RTV gasket glue, fill all that. Then maybe around here I'll put the high heat tape. I like it, the fact that it's got handles on each side as well as in the front, and it rolls around really nice. There is a pretty good gap along the door top here, which I don't think you can do anything about. It's going to be that way. Oh, the other thing I wanted to point out, let's see. Really can't see it, but down underneath here there are holes, vents. There's nothing to control or shut that down. Those will always, that's your air intake. So there'll always be air going through there. There'll always be air going through here. You know, so it's not a sealable, you know, you can't seal it up all the way type cooker when you're done with it. But we'll do what we can to shut down on gapping and stuff. Yeah, I'll figure out what I'm going to do with that later. So there you go. This is the 59-inch pit that you can cook on either with gas, wood, or charcoal. And you can add the rotisserie spit to it, which is very cool. So yeah, I am looking forward to getting this up and running. You know, think about how many hamburgers or hot dogs or chicken quarters you can do on here, and then the spit itself, how universal this is, as far as you've got the baskets that so many uses, you know. You got the baskets you can put on there, and how many, you know, at least I would do 2 racks of ribs, so you figure 8 racks of ribs, and maybe you could do 3, so now you're up 3, 6, 9, 12. But then also whole chickens, how many of those can you put in here? I would say 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 whole chickens you can do, just having it sitting here rotating around. Just so many options that you can do with that. I've seen in one video where they just got whole chickens lined up on there. Think about this. Turkeys. I could probably do 1, 2, 3 comfortably, maybe 4 full-size turkeys rotisserie on this. Wait till Thanksgiving. We'll figure that out. But man, some of, you know, I'd hate to use the word limitless, but this has lots of possibilities besides being a hog roaster, which I believe, you'll have to go look this up, but I believe they say a 200-pound dressed hog is the max that you can do on this spit. I believe that's what they say, but the base unit, when you order this, it comes with the spit rod, the motor, and your hog clamps pieces there. And then I ordered the basket system separately. So it came in a different box, as you saw. You can talk to them. You saw they do send it to where you don't have the door on it now, and it won't have the propane. I don't know if they sell it that way. You'll have to talk to them about it. But so there it is, the Smoke Daddy 59-inch cooker. Okay, so I'm going to wrap this video up here. I don't know how soon I'm going to be able to get it cooked going on it, but hopefully soon. Got a lot of things going on right now, and I wasn't expecting. Let me fix my collar so I don't look like I'm from the early 90s. I wasn't expecting this to get here so quick. It took a week for this to show up from the time that we ordered it. I was figuring a month and I'd have more time to get prepared for it, but it is awesome. So it's here now. We'll figure out a way to get it into rotation here and get a cook going on it here soon. But for now, it's just going to sit in the shop, and I got to do some hunting for a hog. not physical hunting. I do my hunting at grocery stores and farms. So I need to find a whole hog that I can do a cook on and see how it runs. But we'll do something before then. Probably some chicken, maybe some ribs. Anyhow, like I always say, thank you for watching, my friends. Till next time, grill on. Go check out Smoke Daddy. There's some other products I want to go buy from them for sure. Okay, so I'm going to wrap this video up here. I don't know how soon I'm going to be able to get it cooked going on it, but hopefully soon. Got a lot of things going on right now, and I wasn't expecting. Let me fix my collar so I don't look like I'm from the early 90s. I wasn't expecting this to get here so quick. It took a week for this to show up from the time that we ordered it. I was figuring a month and I'd have more time to get prepared for it, but it is awesome. So it's here now. We'll figure out a way to get it into rotation here and get a cook going on it here soon. But for now, it's just going to sit in the shop, and I got to do some hunting for a hog. not physical hunting. I do my hunting at grocery stores and farms. So I need to find a whole hog that I can do a cook on and see how it runs. But we'll do something before then. Probably some chicken, maybe some ribs. Anyhow, like I always say, thank you for watching, my friends. Till next time, grill on. Go check out Smoke Daddy. There's some other products I want to go buy from them for sure.